In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Scrcpy wirelessly without USB debugging. Now, the first thing what we need to do is open up command prompt. So do a search, type in CMD, and now you want to go ahead and click on Run as Administrator. Now, once you've done that, your command prompt should be open. Now, in the first command here, I've got Google Docs open. We need to go ahead and copy this command and now paste it in here and then hit enter. This command is responsible for setting up the initial connection. Once you run it and hit enter, you'll likely hear the disconnect sound. This means your phone has restarted and disconnected. At this point, you can safely unplug your cable from the PC. Next, we need to go ahead and connect your phone over Wi-Fi. Now, to do that, we'll use the second command here. So it's a DB connect and put in your phone's personal IP address. Now, to find that, just do a Google search for what's my IP or something similar and get your IP address and then place it in here. And now from here, we need to copy this or write it out manually and then paste that here and then hit enter. Now, I won't be showing mine for privacy reasons, but after entering yours, the connection will be established. Now just head over to the folder where you've saved Scrcpy and launch it as you would normally. As you can see, it's now running wirelessly, no cable, no USB debugging required. Now that's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more guides, and I'll see you in the next video.